Okay, 2.5 derivatives of quotients. Now, if you have a quotient, how do you take the derivative of that? Qx is fx divided by gx. So the quotient, because we have a numerator and denominator. Okay, that's a rule to q prime x equal to denominator to the power of 2. So g of x, the power of 2. The derivative of numerator, f prime, multiplied by denominator without any change, gx, minus, now numerator without any change, multiplied by the derivative of denominator. As you see here, this is the quotient rule. Okay, we want to do an example here. Let's say q is x plus 3 square root of x power 2 minus 1. The first thing you do, you making your denominator as something to the power of a number. X power 2 minus 1, a square root means the power is 1 over 2. Here is x plus 3. So q prime, applying quotient rule, denominator to the power of 2. You powered by 2, and x power 2 minus 1. Since the whole thing's here, x power 2 minus 1 should be positive, right? Because this is under a square root. When you square that, make sure this is stay positive. Put an absolute value there. Now, the derivative of numerator, x plus 3, derivative of that is 1. Multiply by denominator without any change, which is x power 2 minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. Minus, now you keep your numerator without any change, so x plus 3, multiply by the derivative of denominator. So power in front, the derivative of denominator is 1 over 2 in front, power minus 1. 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2, and multiply by the derivative of inside, x power 2 minus 1, the derivative of that is 2x. You could simplify that. Since negative 1 over 2 is in denominator for the whole things, I can take a common factor between these two terms here and simplify it further. So this x power 2 minus 1, or 1 over 2 multiplied by the denominator, which is this, x power 2 minus 1, 1 over 2. So this becomes x power 2 minus 1 minus x plus 3. We have a 2 in denominator that is canceling it with that one, right? So we don't have to be worried about that. Here we have x divided by x power 2 minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2, right? Since this is in denominator, and now I have another denominators here. For a second, I'm gonna put it out of absolute value, but I need to be aware about my domain, right? Then you can simplify it further. So here is x power 2 plus 3x. You have a negative behind that, so it's negative x power 2. Here is negative 3x. X power 2 negative x power 2 cancel. Here we'll have positive negative 3x minus 1 in numerator, and in denominator we have that. So x power 2 minus 1, so they have the same base, they add the powers. 1 plus 1 is 3 over 2. That is our answer. Okay, so the worksheet that you do is this worksheet, the questions, the question number 1, question number 2, Question number 5. Question number 10, 12, 14, and 19.